Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and get started with the Michaels portion of my Asheville trip. And right now I'm showing the that center aisle end cap type thingy of all the Karen cakes, the different Karen cakes. And if you can see there, I have got a finger on the lens. I know better, but yet I still did it. And it takes me a little bit before I figured out what the heck I was doing. So you will see that here in a minute when I remove my finger from the lens. But these are all the new Karen cakes, the baby cakes, and the ripple cakes, which I did really like the feel of the ripple cakes. And you'll see here in a little bit, I came very close to getting a ripple cake, but then I saw something else and I put it back. Now, Karen has this posted in Michaels, and I really, really like this. I'm going to show you another version of it, which is easy to take a picture of when you're on with your phone. But I really, really like this. I think this is great information for any crocheter or knitter. Now, these are the cakes that I really like. These are the ripple cakes with the different colors. I thought they were super duper pretty. I was talking to my daughter about them, and as you can see, I'm looking at the label, so you're getting a great shot of my cart and the side of the center aisle thingy, because that's what you want to see, right? But I was looking at the labels, so I apologize about that. I did really like this color, and I actually came very close to buying it, as you see. That's my daughter's fingers touching it. She wanted to see. I was telling her that it was actually pretty soft. So here's me showing you a great shot of the cart as I place a couple of those cakes in the cart, and my daughter's shoes, because that's awesome. See, there's a cake going in the cart, another cake going in the cart. There's two cakes, Karen cakes, in the cart. And then I turn around. But that's after I admire this color. Isn't that pretty? Like that fall type color? It was so pretty. But then I turn around and I see this. And then I touch them. And the Karen cakes went back in the cart. But these were really, really pretty colors. And I'm going to pan out and show you the colors. But these were called the Eco Brights. This is a Loops and Threads brand, which is the Michaels brand. And again, they are incredibly soft. But they have all these basic colors. Of course, those two colors, the yellow and the green, made me think of Oscar the Grouch and Big Bird. Why? Don't know. Just, I always fall back to Sesame Street. I don't know. And then this is the other, it was right next to it on the end cap, right next to it. Also crazy soft. Fell in love with these. I don't like these type of skeins. I hate the donut skeins. I hate using them because they don't, it's not as easy as like a center pull skein or even a cake you can pull from the center. This, not so much. But I really felt like these were very, very soft. I love the colors. Look at that coral. And that dusty rose, oh, so pretty. All right, now I'm in the aisle. This is your Loops and Threads Shiny, or whatever they call it, their version of it, of the Karen Simply Soft. I did like this colorway. I thought that was super duper pretty. So that's what I was showing you there, how pretty that colorway was. And at first I thought that when I was looking at this back again, I thought it was the Simply Soft, but nope, it's the Soft and Shiny, or whatever they call it. This is Impeccable Thread. I do like the colorways of Impeccable Thread, but I'm not a big fan of how it feels. Now this, I love how it feels, the Soft Essentials, and they have some beautiful colorways. And of course, Red Heart Soft. Now look at what people have done with it's not Unforgettable. That's actually landscape yarn, but I just made a mess of the yarn. Who disrespects yarn like that, right? Crazy. But here's the soft, Red Heart Soft. I thought these colors were gorgeous. I just didn't really need anything or didn't have anything in mind for those particular skeins of yarn, so I didn't pick any up. And then we got some Homespun, which I do love me some Homespun. And turn around, there's some Scarfy. A little bit too warm for me to be getting into Scarfy right now. And there's my daughter. And now we are on to the back aisle. This is on the back of the yarn aisle. And this is your, like, thinner weight, some of your thinner weight stuff. This is, I did pick up some of these, and I'll explain that a little bit more when we get into my, my specific haul, what I got at each store. But I did get some of that. And then I saw this, and I thought, what fun colors. Again, makes me think of Sesame Street, but that would make a great hat for some kid. I mean, look at those colors. Now, here is some more of the, well, not Karen, this is the Bernat yarn. And this is the Flex, which is this very silky soft. And I did pick up a couple skeins of this, which I'll show you in the haul. And then the little toppers, which I loved those. I picked up a couple of those too. And of course, and I'm showing you the other baby Bernat stuff that's out. This is all the really soft yarns, but warm. Now we're at the Dollar Tree, and look how sad this Dollar Tree is. So sad. I mean, it's a lot of yarn there, but oh my gosh, it's like a hurricane went through there. And nobody liked the white. The hurricane did not like the white yarn and left it all there. A couple of skeins of the chenille, that's the only color that I saw, was that, of the Just Chenille. Otherwise, I would have picked up some. They did have a couple of pretty colors of the Just yarn, and I did pick up a little bit, which I'll show you more whenever we do the haul video for the Dollar Tree stuff. But yeah, that was really sad. And then we went to Walmart, which the stock was okay, but it was just a mess. And it just, why do they treat yarn so? But that's pretty much the end of my shopping trip. I did pick up a couple things from here, and I will be showing that to you later. But yeah, it wasn't as good of a trip as I wanted it to be, but it was still okay, and I had some success. So can't wait to show you what I got. Have a great day.